Hi, welcome to Tricia's Makeup World. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Tricia and I absolutely love playing around with colourful makeup, and today we're just doing a revisit again, guys. I'm revisiting Blend Bunny's Beauty Below, I had to think there, palette. I'll just open it up, it's quite a colourful palette. I thought we would maybe, I don't actually know, so I was thinking maybe the greens, the yellows, I don't know. We'll do something quite colourful, I think, yeah. We'll take it from there. Yeah. Just going to get stuck right in. I do have She Glam's Wizard of Oz collection. I do have that coming. And I know I've already got a Revolution Wizard of Oz collection, but what I thought might be quite interesting to do as another video would be to compare the two collections to, to see if there's any similarities, what one's better, yeah, and basically do that. I'm just going to get stuck right in, and I think we're going to go into the blue shade first. I'm just going to tap that in both sides. Just bringing it around. So I'm going to do the same the other side. And I've already got my base on, guys. I'm still using the Revolution Skin Silk foundation. I really like that a lot. I've probably said that in numerous videos. With having dry, mature skin, I tend to go for something that is a little bit more dewy, glowy. And then I'm going to go into this one here. This one. Like so. Do the same to the other side. Got that on, and I've also got on my Jewelry Beauty, my Ember shade on my lips as well. But yeah, so we've got that coming, and I am still planning on doing a makeup video. I'm just going to clean. I've got a nice little cleaner here, but I'm going to just clean the brushes off this, because I need to reuse these for other shades. And then I'm going to go into, I think I'm going to go into greeny sort of shades. I'm putting next to here, I think. That's what I'm going to do. I've gone into this one here, but I think I'm going to deepen it a little bit with that one as well. And then I'm going to, with this other one, take this one and just, I feel like my face is going to melt, guys. It's absolutely roasting in my house. Absolutely roasting. I'm just going to pull that out again. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull it out a bit. And I think we'll pull that blue underneath. I think we're going to probably put some of the shimmers underneath. I really wanted to try this one here. I really like this. I want to put this in here. I might have to go into my finger. Like that, that's quite nice. And I think now I'm going to bring it down. So and I think I might, there's some green one here. Maybe even a little bit of this one. And then I think we'll put this one on as well at the very like so. It's quite colourful look, I quite like it. So what I've done is, on the outer I used these two shades, and that they are, if I could read them, Abyss and Watery Grey. So I used these on the outer, and then in my inner I started off with this one, which is Beware the Mermaid, and I deepened it with that Dark Truth, and then I kind of sort of buffed it out a bit with this one, and that's called Murky Water. And then in the inner I put this shimmer, and that one's called Trance, and I also have this one, Mermazing, this one, Irresistible, and then we've got a little bit of this as well, which is called Immerse. I absolutely love their shimmers, they're so pretty. Next, I think what we're going to do is we'll put from Odin's Eye, I'm going to put one of these into my waterline, and I'm kind of sort of thinking either blue or green. I'm just going to have a look. Either that one's quite nice. What about this one? Let's maybe look at the green ones. I think blue. Oh, that one looks quite nice. Maybe that one actually. Yeah, we're going to go in with this shade. Don't know if it's going to look like that in my waterline, but we'll have a look. We'll see. Now, I think I've said this before. These are obviously meant to be quite similar to Colourpop's eye pencil things, eye gel, whatever you want to call them things. I don't think they're as good as Colourpop, but they're alright. I got it, do you know, I got these when I think it was the original Solmain collection that these came out, I think. Sometimes I put stuff in my waterline, then other times I go through phases where my eyes just water, so I don't bother. Okay, and then we're going to take, this is my P. Louise, oh god, I can't remember what it's called, like something Cry mascara. No, is it Cry Baby? I honestly can't remember. I'm going to put some of that on. Honestly feel like my face is melting from the heat, because it's been we've had really nice weather. But yeah, I'm thinking of doing, I got a lot of clothes off of that Cider clothing, and I thought I could do like a little, you know, try on, sort of show you what I've got, haul, and obviously yeah, when the GRWM with the Worldz collection comes, we will definitely be playing with that. And I will have Pep in the video as my total. Definitely for a laugh. Right, and then we're going to go into, it's a GRWM Beauty. This is from our new collection, Tainted. And this is in the shade Sizzle. It's a cream blush. Really like this a lot. It's really nice. I think I've said it again in my videos as well, I find it quite similar to Cosmic Brushes, cream blushes. I really like those as well, they're really nice. I might actually go back into this palette. Is there a shimmer that I can use as a highlight? Yeah, that works really nice over the blush actually, I do like that. I don't feel that I need to reapply my lip colour, but I have from Julie Beauty my Amber liquid lipstick. I am affiliated with Julie Beauty. I will put my link down in the description. You should check her out. She does great sales. Sometimes these go down to £2 and they're great. You know, if you like a shade, I definitely need to pick this up. This is running out. And then we're going to go into my Duo Lash Glue. Even my hair's not sitting very nice today. I think it's with the heat. We're just gonna put the glue and bring it over like so. Using it the other side. I think after this I'm going to go and raid my freezer. I think I've got ice creams. I think I've got strawberry cornetos. I think I might have to have one of them because I am absolutely roasting. And I might take Pep to the park just to get out of the house for a bit because it's far too hot in here. And then these are just lashes that I've already cut to shape that I'm going to put on. But cut to shape, cut to length. I'm just going to put these on. Oh, I've got glue all over my nails. I just painted my nails. One of my toenails, I've stubbed it and it's bruised, so I thought, nah, I can't go about with purple nail. It looks horrible. So I thought, I'm going to paint my nails, and I thought, well, let's paint my fingernails as well. Oh no, I've got it all over the nail polish. Ah. Yeah, that looks fine. And this is the final look. The final look? The only look. I'm just doing a revisit. This is the finished look using the Beauty Below palette from Blend Bunny. It's a really, really pretty palette. I like it a lot. I believe it's meant to be a sister palette to, is it Lure? I know it's like a mermaid palette as well. Really, really pretty palette. The mattes blend really, really well, and the shimmers, as usual, are always outstanding from Blend Bunny. Really, really like playing with this palette. It's really, really pretty. And yeah, I'll be back again probably next week with another video. I don't know what. We'll just have to wait and see. I'll see you all next week. Bye!
Fly with me up so high, through the stars, across the sky. See a world so bright and free.